What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications. Today we got two new trimmers, as you've seen by the thumbnail. We got the Tpob Ghost X Slime Edition and the Tpob Blackout. So there they are right there. But today, we ain't gonna waste too much time. We're gonna get right to it, unbox these, let you guys see what's inside of it and how they operate behind the chair.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
First up, we have the Tpob Ghost Slime Edition clipper here, or Slime Edition trimmer. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box. You guys can see that slime drip right there, iconic to the brand. We got a plastic piece in here to hold the trimmer in place. We're not gonna get to the trimmer right away. We're gonna go ahead and put this aside and see what's underneath. So let's just take this out right here and see what we got. Underneath, you do have some attachments, some combs, some guards, or whatever you like to call those. But there are those in there. I don't use these personally, but you can throw them on there and it make it easier for you to, I don't know, use it for a mustache. But honestly, I just use a clipper to trim the mustache and beard area. Here's a plastic piece. I'll show you where that goes in just a second. But we also have a USB charging cord. This goes into the trimmer. This goes into a charging block. And then you have a brush with a user manual at the bottom. We're not gonna go ahead and get into all that and put that aside. Go ahead and close this up here. Put this bad boy back in there. And let's get to the other one. We got the Tpob Ghost Blackout Edition. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Same thing with the slime. Got another plastic piece in here. We'll take this out, put this aside, and the same contents you've seen in the other box is exactly what we're gonna have in here. You have a charging cord, user manual, a combs or guards attachments, and then also a cleaning brush. So we're gonna go ahead and put this aside as well, and then look at the trimmers. So first up, let's go ahead and unveil the black trimmer, the Blackout Ghost. So here is the Ghost, and this right here is a matte type of finish, has the Tpob logo at the bottom, your power switch at the top. I'm going to pop this off here. There is your blade. It is a gold blade there, and I believe you can get the zero gap if you move these screws right here and get the blade closer. But honestly, this is a debulking type trimmer. It's not going to be like your demon with the triple X blade, or your goblin, or your troll. This right here is a debulk monster. Just the way the blade is set already, I would keep it that way personally, and it eats through hair. I mean, you can edge up with this for sure, but overall, I would use this to start debulking and start your zero guideline. So I'll go ahead and turn it on for y'all so you can see what it sounds like. So there is your LED indicator light at the bottom, and it does sound like it does have some power. Like I said, these will debulk like nothing. So there is the black one. Let's get to the green one so you guys can see that. So here is the Slimed Out Edition. I always love the lime green there, the slime green. LED indicator light at the bottom, Tpob branding there. You have your power switch. Also, let's get this off here. Another gold blade on that one. I know how everybody loves the gold. Me personally, I'm more of a black blade type finish, but I do dig these, the shape. On this one, it's not a matte finish. This is, well, it is a matte finish, but it's not a, this one has kind of like a rubbery feeling. This one doesn't, but I do like this. Like I said, I love the slime green, but we're gonna go ahead and turn this on as well. And you can see there, LED indicator light at the bottom. Sounds like a powerful trimmer for sure, but we're gonna go ahead and get it behind the chair at the shop and let you guys see what it works like. That is what we are here to do, is demonstrate the tools so you guys can distinguish whether or not you guys would like to purchase them for yourself. But let's get it to the shop. But before we get to the shop, I wanted to show y'all where this plastic piece goes. So it goes right here. You can snap it in right on the side, and then that gives you that type of look right there. But me personally, I like to take this off because it's easier to clean inside here if you have this off. So if preference, it's up to you how you want to use it. But let's get it to the shop. What's good, everybody? This is the demonstration portion of the video, and as you can see here, the Ghost X are doing what I told you it was gonna do, balding out nice and easy, eating through hair like butter. Like, I can't even lie, these got extremely close. I didn't zero gap the blade or nothing, and they're just eating through this bulk. These are some lawnmowers, man. If you guys are looking for a new trimmer, I highly suggest that you go out and cop these and add them to your arsenal.
They're not going to be detailing like your precision trimmers, like your Babyliss FX or your Tpob Troll or your Goblin or those type of trimmers. This is just a do bulk monster, and for $37 on Amazon, I think this is completely worth a buy. You won't have to wear out your other detail trimmers. You can debulk with this one and detail with another. Even if you're a newer barber that is coming up and you need something affordable that's going to hit, I feel like this is the trimmer for you. Beginner barbers, barbers at home, anybody can use this trimmer. Anybody can find use for it behind their station. You can see right here, it's just eating through, edging up nicely, eating through bulk. So I mean, I'm thoroughly pleased with these. Not just because I have a sponsorship and a discount code with the company, but these are thoroughly doing the job. As you can see in these clips here, there ain't no cap on my wrap. They do the work behind the chair. Any texture, it's got thick texture, thin textures, Asians, Hispanics, Native Americans, is doing the thing. It's doing the job. And you can see here more line work. I just wanted to showcase what these things can do. And like I said, $37, you can't beat that. You can find these on Amazon.com. You could also find them at thepissedoffbarber.com. If you use code Jayblends, you can save yourself 15% off at thepissedoffbarber.com. So make sure you use those discount codes. Make sure you save yourself some money. And it also supports the channel, supports myself. And I truly appreciate everybody's support in all that I do. I do these videos to make sure that you guys stay informed with what's out there, what type of tools there are, what type of things Tpob's coming out with, and other things. You know, I did have recently a royalty guard that I did. So I do reviews and unboxing on all types of stuff. So this is what it is. It's doing the work, like I said. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and unboxing. I hope you guys got some value from it, and I hope you guys try it out. If you do try this out, let me know that down in the comments that you're gonna go snag yourself one up. But other than that, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Till next time, God bless.